You just found the 2012 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Opulent luxury, crisp handling, and a long list of standard amenities. That's what this refined C-Class delivers. From its chic interior and timeless lines to its smooth performance and industry-leading tech, this premium automobile elevates and inspires on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Engineering you can trust meets the premium luxury you crave in this elegant C-Class. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.